to my channel. It's your girl Francia, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be reviewing the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. Okay, that's it. I actually have never used this foundation. I've heard a lot of things about NARS though, and I've always been saying to myself, oh yeah, I definitely gotta try it to see what the hype's about. But yeah, I never really owned a NARS foundation before. So my tone in this foundation is Deep 2 New Caledonia, and ooh, fancy. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to read some of the claims that NARS would have printed on this box. So it says that it's a comfortable 16-hour wear, full natural looking coverage, true color oxidation resistance, transfer proof, shine proof, and it's for normal, combination, and oily skin types. Alright, 16-hour wear, full natural looking coverage, shine proof, transfer proof. Alright, so let's put this to the test, shall we? Alright, so guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back to test this foundation. I won't be doing my brows on camera today because I just want to focus solely on the foundation itself. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Eyebrows done. Let us see what this NARS foundation is about. Let's see how we take to it, and if this is a new addition to the collection. So I'm just gonna squeeze out just a little bit on the back of my hand. It's not too much, just enough. I think this is probably like 1 pump, 1.5 pump. Alright, let's get started. Let's just go ahead and prime. I do this sometimes before and after I've done my eyebrows. Most likely after, for the most part, like, we together. Get all up in there. Okay. Alright, let's put this foundation to the test. So like I mentioned, 1.5 scoop. I'm gonna dab. This one right here is not giving. Not going full coverage just yet, but let's just continue blending and see what it gives. There's a light fragrance to this. It's not too overpowering though, just very light. It's giving soft glam, just a little bit, and this is just 1.5 pump. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with some more to like get that look that I like. But so far, it's giving. I wasn't expecting it. It's just so soft, you guys. Like. Oh, I actually changed the lighting for you guys as well, because I know the lighting I was in, just know it wasn't it. So, okay, I'm liking it. Alright, let's go for another 1.5 pump. or just one pump. Not too much, just a little bit. Again, I'm gonna dab that. Put some on my forehead. Some on my neck. You guys want to make sure that your neck is blending with your face. Bring it down a bit. And it's like not heavy, you guys. It's not heavy at all. It's as if I don't have any foundation on my face. Okay, so you guys know I like to blend the bottom of my brows with my foundation, so I'm just gonna do that here, just a little bit. Like, you see how it comes out, guys? It's just like, I feel like it's so easy for you to waste product with this top here. You gotta be careful when you're taking it out. Okay, now that I've applied it, I'm just going to blend it out. Like NARS, this you? NARS, this you? Like it'll trick you. You guys have to proceed with caution with this foundation, because you saw my face in the beginning and I'm like, one pump isn't doing it. I don't even think 2 pump is gonna do it. So maybe, you know, we get the look that we want with 4 pumps, but I was wrong. It's as if, like, it glides on so nicely. It's as if there's nothing. I don't have any product on my face. Like, it's definitely, and this is just my face with no powder, you guys. I haven't even set this in yet. No, is this you? Okay, let's continue blending that. I'm just gonna set it with some powder, and yeah. Okay guys, so I just finished setting my face with my MAC powder, and I just applied some mascara to my lashes, put on my blush, and now I'm about to do my lips. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and come right back. Okay guys, your girl is back, and I took off my edge scarf, and yeah, that's it, you guys. This is what it's giving. This is what NARS is giving. Let's get into it real quick. NARS, I'm gonna ask you one more time. This you? Like, come on. Yeah, it's giving. And you guys, I did not use any concealer. I did not beat my face. I didn't do any of what I usually do. For the most part, it's just my mascara. I added some blush, did my lips. And yeah, everything else is just the foundation and some powder. And it's giving the way that it's giving right now. So this is just like a wake-up call to me. Maybe I need to go and get me some more NARS products. But anyways, you guys, I'm going to leave this on for a few hours, and we're gonna see how it holds up. If it holds up, you know, all day, and yeah. But I really like it. It still feels as if I don't have anything on my face, and we didn't, like you guys saw, there wasn't much foundation applied either. But the face is beat. It's giving this soft glam that I was going for. That's the look I was really looking to achieve. And yeah. Okay, I see you, NARS. I see you. Alright, you guys, I'm going to hop off, and I will come back in a few hours, and we'll just go ahead and see how it holds up and how it looks. See you soon.
10 years later.
Hi guys, so I am back, and this is what my face is looking like after a few hours. Like after 5 hours, I left at 3:15, and it is now 8 p.m. So yeah, this is what it's giving. What did NARS say in the beginning on the box? Shine proof? You can say I have a bit of shine here. I have combination skin, so sometimes my face gets really oily and sometimes it's pretty dry. So I'm just gonna tap that excess shine and oil. I'm just gonna dab with a facial tissue. Here, my forehead. So you see the parts of my face that the shine accumulates is mostly my T-zone, because that's where I get oily at the most. Okay, you guys, so this is what it's looking like after I tapped off that excess shine. Foundation held up pretty good, I would say. Pretty decent. I didn't do anything to my face. I didn't touch up the powder. I didn't touch up anything. The only thing I did was my lips over. because I had me some tea sauce squalene cream for lunch and I really got in there, so I had to do my lips over. But that's the only thing that I did. Yeah, so besides that, I think the foundation, it held up pretty good. It held up pretty good. I wouldn't really rate it poorly because of the excess shine, because my face usually tend to get oily, you know, after a certain period of time in the day with my other foundation. So I wouldn't say this is a knockoff, you know, or a very bad rating just because of that. But NARS did say shine free, so NARS, work on that. But other than that, the foundation was really, really good. It definitely made the collection, and I would rate this 8 out of 10. I think the retail price, I picked this up at Sephora. The retail price was 40 something. I can't recall, but I would definitely say pick this guy up on your next Sephora run. I don't think you'd regret it. And up till now, I still feel as if there's no foundation on my face, there's no product on my face. So it's very lightweight and not heavy at all, no scent. Like, and if you have sensitive skin, it's not scented. It's not a scented foundation to break you out or anything, because I have very sensitive skin and my skin does not like sensitive scented products. So that's definitely a plus. The other thing that I took a rating off for, which is the reason why it's at 8 and not 9 or 10, is because of the top that I mentioned to you guys earlier, where I mentioned that you have to be really careful when you're pouring out the product so you don't waste too much of it, because you can easily waste a lot of product there. But other than that, definitely made the collection. I would definitely be using more of that foundation, and yeah, so 8 out of 10. Practically just a 5-hour wear. I did not do any heavy lifting or anything like that, and it was pretty shiny for the most part, like you guys saw. So yeah, that's one of the reasons. That's one. So the one, that's shine, and the bottle top is what brought it down from 10 to 8. So with those things fixed, and maybe in a newer launch, maybe we'll get to 10. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think about it if you do try it. And yeah, I'll be looking forward to hearing you guys' feedback as well. If this is something that you'd add to your collection or not. I personally will add this to my collection. It's made the list. So let me know your thoughts on it. Alright you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for the support, and I will see you in the next one.